This is question 4 from exercise 8.6 in Project Maths 1. A machine produces 200 bolts every 5 minutes. How many bolts will the machine produce in 1 minute, in 8 minutes, and in 30 seconds? So what we're going to do for this is we're going to write down what is our little equation in disguise here, which is 200 bolts is equal to 5 minutes. And we're asked how many bolts will the machine produce in 1 minute. So to get from 5 minutes down to 1 minute, we're going to divide both sides by 5. So 5 minutes divided by 5 is 1 minute. And 200 bolts divided by 5 is going to be 40 bolts. So that there is part 1. We found out how many bolts the machine will produce in 1 minute. Now what we've got to do is we've got to find out how many bolts the machine will produce in 8 minutes. Well, we know how many it'll produce in 1, that's 40 bolts. So if we're going up to 8 minutes, we're going to multiply by 8 to get up to 8 minutes from 1 minute. So 1 minute by 8 is 8 minutes, and 40 by 8 is 320 bolts. So the machine will produce 320 bolts in 8 minutes. Now for part 3, it's going to be a little bit different because we're asked about 30 seconds. So we're going to start back with 40 bolts is equal to 1 minute. Well, 1 minute is actually equal to 60 seconds. Now we could go all the way down to 1 second by dividing both sides by 60 and then go back up to 30, similar to the way that we got to 8 minutes here by going down to 1 first and up to 8. But because 30 seconds is half of 60 seconds, we can just divide by 2 and we end up at 30 seconds. And if we divide 40 bolts by 2, we get 20 bolts. And that is that.